Take a look at this channel in the productivity niche. With just 25 videos, they have gained over 100,000 subscribers. Their most popular video has gotten over 2 million views. If you are somebody who is confused on which niche to jump into in 2026, you have to watch this video, because by the end, you will have all the knowledge you need to start a successful YouTube automation channel. Before we proceed, let me quickly show you guys another channel that is getting insane amount of views. Take a look at this channel. They currently have 73,000 subscribers and they have posted 32 videos so far. Their most popular video has gotten over 1.8 million views and it was uploaded 4 months ago. In this video, I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process in creating videos like this. But before then, let me quickly show you guys what I was able to create modeling these channels.
Days blur together. You wake up already tired. You handle what's urgent. You postpone what matters. You drink the coffee. You answer the messages. You nod in meetings. You say, yeah, I'm good. And somehow,
quickly hit the like button to send a signal to me that you enjoy videos like this so I can keep making them. Alright, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial. The first thing we need to do now is to analyze the channel and get video ideas. And to do this, we are simply going to use AI to speed the process for us. So visit the channel just like this that you're modeling and then simply take a screenshot of the channel. Now open ChatGPT. I've already provided the prompt that you guys are going to use to generate your videos step by step. What you just need to do first is to come to ChatGPT and click on the plus icon here, then click on Upload Photo and File. Now, what you just need to do now is to upload the screenshots you took earlier. Now, just simply tell ChatGPT that you want to create a channel in this niche. Can you suggest a channel name for me? And as simple as that, ChatGPT is going to give you a list of names that you can choose from. I'll be going with this Quiet Progress because it just sounds very nice. Alright, so now that we have the name, the next thing we need to do now is to tell ChatGPT that we have picked Quiet Progress because that's the name that I chose. And then now, the next thing you need to do now is to ask ChatGPT to suggest video ideas similar to this channel that can get millions of views. And as simple as that, ChatGPT is going to give you 3 core video formats that get millions of views. Now take a look at this one. 7 quiet habits that will change your life without anyone noticing. That's an interesting topic and a lot of people will be interested in this video. Alright, so now that ChatGPT has suggested video ideas for you, what you just need to do now is to copy one of the ideas that ChatGPT has generated for you. For me, I'm going to be going with this one, 7 quiet habits that will change your life without anyone noticing. So copy it. The next thing you need to do now is to go to the Google Doc file that I've already provided for you guys, and then the first prompt here, which is the script generation prompt. Before you do anything, come here where you see title. Now what you just need to do is change the title to your own video title. Then when you've done that, what you just need to do now is to copy the entire prompt from the Google Doc file. Now open ChatGPT or any of your preferred AI models, paste the prompt, and immediately ChatGPT is going to generate you a killer video script that is going to get a lot of views because I've designed this prompt for high retention, emotion-driven, motivational videos. So yeah, ChatGPT is done generating the script. What we just need to do now is to copy the entire script from ChatGPT and then open Google AI Studio. The first thing you need to do is click on single speaker audio here under module and then change your voiceover. For me, I'm going to be going with this one because it sounds kind of the kind of voice they use, right? So choose anyone that fits your preferences, and then after that, paste your script here under text. And when you're done with that, just click on run, and Google AI Studio is going to give you a very good voice that is going to keep people watching for longer. Alright, so now that we have the voiceover, the next thing we need to do now is to generate our visuals. And I've also made that very simple. All you just need to do is go to the prompt that I've generated or created for you guys in the Google Doc file and then go down to the image prompt. Here, what you just need to do is copy the entire prompt and then open a fresh ChatGPT chat, paste it, and then just click on generate. Immediately, GPT will understand what you want and it's not going to start creating anything for you because it's waiting for you to paste your script. So what you just need to do now is to copy your script and then paste it here. And immediately you do that, ChatGPT is going to understand what you want, and as you can see here, the script I provided is actually a very short script. So because of that, it's going to generate 22 prompts that I can use to generate my image in the exact style that these channels are generating their visuals. So what you just need to do now that we have the prompt to generate our image is to immediately open our AI image generator. For me, I'm going to be using Whisk, but honestly, you can use any tool you prefer. So when you log into Whisk, what you just need to do now is go back to ChatGPT and then copy your first prompt, come back to Whisk, paste it here, and then before you generate your image, you first of all need to make some settings, which is to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube long-form content. So when you've made that change, what you just need to do now is click on the arrow icon here to start generating your image. Immediately, Whisk is going to generate you 2 images. Now that Whisk has generated you 2 characters, for you to have a consistent character, what I would suggest you do is click on one of the images and then take a screenshot of the image like this. So now that you have that image, what you just need to do now is click on the Add Image here and then come to Subject here and click on Upload Image. So go to your gallery and select the image you just screenshot. It's going to upload here, which is analyzing the image. So give Whisk some time, and then once Whisk is done, what you just need to do now is to regenerate this particular image. Alright, so now you can see that the characters are now looking very similar. So this is what you're going to do now. What you just need to do next is to start copying all your prompts from ChatGPT and then generating your images one after the other. What I just showed you guys was the exact step that I use in creating my images to have this consistent character in it. Alright, now that you've learned how to generate your images, it's time for us to convert these images into animation. You can use any tool of your choice, but I prefer using Flow. And the reason is because it just does the work better. So log into Flow AI, click on New Project, then it's going to bring you here where you are going to be generating your animation. The first thing you need to do now is to click on this text to video here and change it to ingredient to video. Then you're going to see this plus icon. What you just need to do now is to click on it, and then this tab is going to pop up. To upload your image, just click on Upload here and select the image. But because I've already added all the images that I will be needing to generate my animation, I'm just going to select the first one here. So as you can see, the image has been added. Now we need to go to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt that we used in generating that particular image, then come back to Flow, paste the prompt here. Before you click on Generate, you need to check if your settings are correct. So click on Settings here and make sure your aspect ratio is on 16:9, and then your output has to be in 1 because it charges you 20 credits for each generation. So your preferred module should be VEO 3.1 fast. We don't need to spend too much credit to generate this animation. So when you're done making the changes, what you just need to do now is to click on this arrow icon here to start generating your animation. Now what I just showed you guys was the exact step that I use in creating all this animation you're seeing here. So guys, what we just need to do now is to put the video together, and we're going to be using CapCut to do this. You can use any of your preferred editing tools, but I just prefer using CapCut. So log into CapCut, click on Import File, select all the files you've created and import them into CapCut. First of all, click on the voiceover and drag it into the timeline. What you just need to do next is to click on the plus icon and make sure you remove all the pauses so you can have a very engaging voiceover. So when you're done with that, you immediately need to start adding the clips into the timeline one after the other. Alright, we're almost done. Before we click on Export, we need to add a filter. It is not a mouse, but I just think it's cool. So what you just need to do is click on the filter icon here and select this Hollywood Past. Drag it into the timeline and it's going to give you this black and white filter. If you don't want it, you can just remove it and then export your video. But I think it's better like this. So click on Export and save the video to your PC and upload it to your YouTube channel. Before I show you guys how to create a thumbnail similar to this channel, let me quickly show you guys what we have been able to create in this video.
You're scrolling again, not because you're bored, because stopping would mean thinking. You told yourself you'd start later, after work, after the weekend, after things calm down. But things never calm down. Days blur together. You wake up already tired. You handle what's urgent. You postpone what matters. You drink the coffee. You answer the messages. You nod in meetings. You say, yeah, I'm good. And somehow, that's the most exhausting part. You're not failing loudly. You're drifting quietly. It's the same routines, the same promises made at night, the same reset every Monday that never sticks.
Now to create your thumbnail, this is what you need to do. Come down to the Google Doc file that I have provided, and then you will see prompts to generate your thumbnail. So what you just need to do is copy the entire prompt and open your preferred AI model. You can use Gemini or ChatGPT, anyone at all. this prompt is going to work fine. So let's say we're going to be using ChatGPT. Paste your prompt here. Before you click on generate, there are a few things you need to change. First of all, go back to where you saved your script, copy the script, and then come back to the prompt here where you see paste your video topic or script summary here. What you just need to do is select the whole of that and then paste your script there. Then click on generate. Immediately, ChatGPT is going to start generating you a very high CTR thumbnail. You can also choose to design your thumbnail in Canva if you want, but take a look at this thumbnail. Is it not looking similar to the one Time for Growth is using? Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.